Last year 20
Inise opimfo biara kwa yaresabia ko na wo hwere ne nkwa arewo afi etwa mu no apimfo 91 na hwere wo nkwa e wo konfa no che.
There's no reason why any woman should get pregnant, walk into a hospital to deliver and then lose her life as a result. It's pathetic.
If you have the best of skills, but
what being bibi mu na se edwuma ne dɔɔso a ɛde mfunso bebree na ɛba na ɛtɔ de bi a ɛno na ɛma nkwadaa no efiri mu.
A fifth of the babies who come
motafo num tumu taboni bi wo ho a motafo insia anase enson na wo firi mu da bi kra wo ho a dodo be du tumu.
We've had days when we've lost as many as 10 in a day.
Papa, yeah, mo me ba we ba ko da ho we ko yina be kire wa e be yo nwanwa I go go antonto a we na nim nyina ene me ko hwe no kwasam nyame anim se mesu sapra keto a wa be wias o yare o enso antonto mo ka wa e sa de yare foforo bro na antonto mo we me na we me ba e be si dan na pra no wanya ahoden akwa ne nya ahoden nti ha ye wo ne de ye wa ho kire mo pa.
As you can see, we have only 2 beds, so unfortunately, if we have more than 2 patients delivering at the same time, it means that one person has to deliver.
Sene wani tuano, empa mienu pe ene wa. Nti se wunya patients bebu mienu a awaka wa. Na e kire se e wo se ba akoko wo baby fufuro.
Second stage, and that you need to conduct the delivery on the ground.
And what could be the effect of that?
The effect is the infection.
Eto da bi kra binum wo fom sunsanso ben na deba eno ni infection.
Can be infected, and aside that there will be other complications like bleeding.
When one no see any abonsan miensa mienu to sonson e na ba kwa aka no so yensia.
It started in 1974 by the then president Ignatius Kutu Ashampo.
1974 mu no ena kane mampani Ignatius Kutu Ashampo fiti ase eduru baabi no utwa aso ena osanto aso nanso esanse adan no hu sikasem osrunti wantumi anwie aban bia ba opre se obeye nanso wantumi.
Every government comes, they want to do it, but it has never been completed.
Why in the basis of way no? Okay, the ni bi wo ha obetumi ahwa mo wi adansie kame ho wo bra me do to suko e wo documentary a matu din next to die. Awoya de fefe mama bebre.
I am very pregnant.
Minyam pa. Miya munchedi. Nanso, memraso. Metumi kra usisia. Ane, sesia.
Into the world. Only that makes you excited. So I think God.
So would dia kwada be wiase e ya ade a e ya nigye sempa. Enu nti, igidi se, Onyankopon eni gye wo bra na obo nipa.
When you're happy and excited about it, it means that God must be really excited when he was creating man.
Shia Natasha Asare Bajama. Wedding fie duonu nson. Ne nyinse edikan nie. Na ne ho pre ne se
and sometimes I wake up at dawn and
I just imagine my baby crying. And
I sometimes hear it. I sometimes hear my baby cry.
Midwife
and I try to cuddle my baby imaginarily.
You can't wait for that day to come.
At all. Since 36 weeks. Hi. I've just been dreaming and hoping, waiting, just to have my baby in my arms. And you know, the moment she deliver, the midwives just.
Oh yes, sir. Me fa akoda no ma won biom e ma won pepa no. Emre bia meti ya no. Na ye me se akoda no ba na asanko. E ba sa na me bu afu me su ben prenu anase prinsa. If you say e ba no ma.
I'm fulfilled.
Na bosume nkru akwantu ne na from kra.
Especially these last days. Cause I'm like, oh God, let this thing just happen. 36 weeks has passed. Every time
me chance obe frame me. Yeah. Now so, e dey na me.
Waka bra wodo be ko won.
Won kai.
Na obe twa kwesi dabe.
Me twa kwesi number. Titu ene na etwa to. Na me kan ya ne o awurade. Manomra. Boso me nkru atwem.
I think for about twice or 3 times I've cried in bed waiting for my baby to happen and it's not happening.
Apem 40 say Natasha Penny say, "Obe wasumdwe mu." Dodo na acquire sabia, ekukudam guo se ne be ya, obe wa fo ho afa womba. Ghana etifi femu a, efri asante mantem, puna hafo, etifi mantem miensa no, nimpo, infini epoye mantem febi no. Komfu Anochi Teaching Hospital, near Arisabia, apem fo nyina ape. Oha obi a ekire so no. What the baha? Arahusem ne say, apim for egidia won Arisabia mu no. Ne brabo ena ekoso wa.
Because our delivery suite has only 8 beds.
Bia ya ja wo no. Empa nwetwe ne wo. Wanka saresu bibia pese obewo konfo no che.
They come and all the beds are occupied.
Empa no nyina so ayema. Se ba saa, jise wudi line so abonten ho. Eyare hosem na ne ekoso no no.
Become available. It's pathetic. Yes. It's pathetic, but that's what's happening.
Professor Bafo Opokuye, consultant obstetrician gynecologist wo Komfu Anochi Teaching Hospital. Atetia apem for FM wire sabia hano. Utwa ho foni kire me.
Sometimes you'll be inside and then all you hear is mami obo, then it means
so the bia nya wotia ne mami ebo na kire say we do second stage also mu ani ko tempa bia ni wa wo de no corridor no so
sa
ane eno ne hawa ye fam.
Oh yes, that's a problem we are having.
Senia ekoso Ghana yaresabia kesia etoso mienu a ehwe mantembe enuma enye na yare wosempa adokotafo ne anesefo a wo ha kire mu a tibie ya ginsem yi me pa dance die nti me bowra ayaresabia no maternity ward ko share apemfo dodo a wo twen se wo be frɛ won akọ labor ward ho eye ward a aba apeso pa adokotafo ne won anesefo eni abra wo hwe won se ne be ya won yaudie no anobadwo ne ani enyan kra ne se apemfo no mu dodo na dampa ba akoso eto de bia nipa mienu dampa ba akoso eto de bi nso a wo kampa mienu bom ma apemfo miensa da so wo fa ya omu na ade etwa to a won prese obefemu eni atete nanso ewo se emei femu saa atete nsem ni so ho awo akama ne bi nanso ewo se wo twen kosi se labor rooms no bedampan se wo betwen no te se wo sisi odomankoma hyehye we ye densie wona wontumi no noso nanso eno so woni sunsanso.
It's not the best because you have to be in a particular position to ensure effective safe delivery. So assuming the woman is standing and the baby just drops onto the ground.
Enye if you say wo se woda yi se ne be ya wo be wo asumdwem wo gina ho na abofra no ba ni tiri be bofom ama ne pra.
Complications increase as they wait in the corridor.
So even though they came here for safe delivery, they may not have that.
They may not have the safe delivery.
Wo ba ha se ne be ya wo be wo asumdwem nanso won sanka ye boy ho modin bia eno ne hawo no.
So that's a problem.
Hana Azuma edinfie edionunum. Ofa tibia we mu. Oya apemfo no mu ba ko a otwen se ebedru no so na wakowo. Ofa ya omu de nanso onwenwe se ne be ya odi ya odi enu besie. Hana mpa ebo ne se emreti awomu no wo be frɛ no.
Dobi ya wa enye ya omu. Enye ya omu.
Yeah, but over
into Maka time, you don't call it about what I chew on. Hey, you know, who train copying the band and send out home the work.
Mamma, the man, to say, be a Yama dear. Now, never born one and I miss from the tour.
To be young kid, what on a quaw with you.
Eyara wusempa nanso bibia de di pefe se adokotafo ne anesefo a wo han tumi nya ho hwe wogina wona nso pintin kosi ahenema chehwe se apemfo ne won ma benya wontiri edidim efri owo Dr. Edu Apiakubi ye obstetrician gynecologist oya adokotafo mu baako a saa hawi tete no pa odi menim de me ko bia ya woji awo no ma me ko hwe tebia no mpempenso.
As you can see, we have only 2 beds, so unfortunately, if we have more than 2 patients delivering at the same time, it means that one person has to deliver elsewhere.
Sena we need to ano. Ye won pa mienu nti awo ka patients mienu bomu a na kire se e wo se ba ko e wo abonten. Eto de bia ebi wo fem efri se e ha ayema.
And what could be the effect of that?
The effect is the infections. The baby can be infected.
Nedi nsuanso ne deba.
Abofra ne omame no etimi nya infection. Unim se wo wo a efi wase nti okoto ho kra otimi wo. Nanso etimi de how bebre ba.
Patients squat like that. The baby can just come out and then it causes a lot of problems for us.
Ehwehwemu bi di enema numa ebebo apemfo a waye krado se wobewo atodwa brofo kasemu enonom ni warm safe private quiet ne dark room we bo ama apemfo no tumi gigidem ewo afenso ema wonya homom bia ebo ama awo koso tote ye friend no oxytocin ba konsuni endorphins medwene humpo se saa niam bi wodan no mumpo a Dr. Apiakubi de mababia efofra wofra ONG theater wo share obstetric emergency cases. Dr. Apiakubi si sudua se eha ye bejabeja pa apomodin nyuma hefo a wo hampo enya semampo no de agwo na home bosmi ba kumu no wotumi apemfo ahasa operation arehosem ne se apemfo a wonyanyi nsemu hawa wogina owo ne nkwankwanta wo hia surgery no wonso gina line musa eyo ne nkwatebia.
This place is very busy. At times we can have like 10, 12 cases waiting to be done.
Waiting?
Yes, waiting.
Meaning they are in a queue?
Yes, they are in a queue. So we
high bija pa. Addition be 10, echo 12. To me the line so train. Yetuminya emergency cases 2 and 3 a. Esese wo show wo nyina breko na. E de how people
2 or 3 emergency cases that you need to sort them out at the same time, and it increases a lot of problems.
So what do you do?
When it comes to that, you prioritize them. So you choose the one that is more urgent, and then you do it, and then later on you come and
ebasa we nie ne de na no ye den na wahwe no hwe se theater nyinu nyina ayema na case bi aba na e wo se ukohwe oniku no inimenum no a nanso e wo se otwen we de awo mu haw ene beba.
If those 2 theaters are full, then it means that the next person has to wait.
We are tete sempa wa hwe se wunua ba wo yira na se wo baba na moje tunu no hia surgery na waka chew se theater mienu ni nyina ayema megidi se wo dwene ho sunsuanso no ho we nya na ansesem eya centro da esi mprempren wo Komfo Anochi Teaching Hospital. Professor Bafo Opoku de tudwa se we ma apemfo bebre to nananom wonsiedo owo nkuntabu a ode tertiary.
I'll just run you through the last 5 years. In 2012 we had 152 deaths.
Mothers.
2013 126.
2012 muno apemfo 152 and ohwere wonkwa. 2013 ye 126, 2014 ye 108, 2015 ye 102 and last year ye 91. Na ekire say ba na eba fom
as a result of pregnancy, labor and delivery.
So what could be the reason for the decreasing trend?
Well, let me also run you through the number of deliveries we've been conducting and things will be clearer.
Edian amasot mame fa wonfa awujenum na wobeti ase afi 2012 mu no awo ayeje wo ha eye 12,000 we so ti kudru 11,188 o 2013 mu 2014 10,031 2015 9,653 and a few chairman 8,884.
So you realize that at the same time there's a decrease in the number of deliveries and a decrease in the number of maternal deaths. Several causes can be used to explain this. It is possible that some women are now delivering outside Nkwa Hia.
Ebetumi aba ne say apemfo dodo na emewo wo Nkwa Hia. Ibinum ko district hospitals, ankrankra ayaresabia, any maternity homes ekowo. Ebetumi nsu aba say contraceptives are one nti on time for your food.
Ensure that lesser women are getting pregnant now. I'm only conjecturing. I cannot put a finger on any of these reasons.
Owa eso etie no. Enye se embopeso no ene eso te. Ana se enkanko ena aba apomudin titire ene awoje mu. Kai se we eye hawa ekoso ewo Komfo Anochi Teaching Hospital enkwa. Sasha nenso se eye referral center titira yade akase a every mantem numnu nyina no wode ba.
Assuming we have the 2 theaters are occupied, and then we have a case that should be attended to immediately.
Ebasa, we ni ene de nanu ye de na wahwe no. Hwe se theater mienu nyina ayem na case bi aba na e wo se ukohwe oniku no inimenum no a nanso e wo se otwen we de awo mu haw ene beba.
So if the 2 theaters are occupied and the case needs to be attended to in theater, then there's nothing we can.
United Nations eniswadi huna Voting team no Sustainable Development Goal 3 no muni se ewiase nyina no awo 100,000 bia no eni se adehia won dodo emro eduosun efrimu me hwe senia wei ebetumi abemu wo Ghana ha teacher ni nia ekoso wo Komfo Anochi Teaching Hospital ha ahodwiri sem kra matene se theater mienu ba ko pe na mprempren eye adwuma nti kwan bia ni wa obetumi ahye apemfo mienu abom Dr. Apiaku bini na pamfo JP ne se woni mi beko na mi ankasa makobo meni so akọ. Wodi kai de me ko theater no a eye adwuma no mu na surgeons etwa oba bi ho ahia wo papai no eyi ni ba no.
This is our first theater. So we have 2 of them. We have 2 of them, but unfortunately today this is the only functioning theater here.
We ni theater edikan ye omienu nanso ene ba ko ene ye adwuma na wotwenie ba ko pe ene ye adwuma.
This is the only theater we are using. So now I just finished the case and this is the second case. So ideally when you finish the case you need to clean the table, make sure the table is
clean. First case we ni tosumien we first case e was how paper table no so sterilized and sana ofraba nanso isan say odoso nti yentumunye
the patient another patient in and it doesn't augur well for infection prevention. So now is a cesarean session that is being done. They just started. So the rest are waiting outside.
Theater enye adwuma no so e.
So this is the second theater.
We a second theater nanso enye adwuma table ni bibia ejina ne naso nanso machine titiri no enye adwuma ye frɛ no anesthetic machine na eni ho a ntimi nye hwee enu nti na ene no enye adwuma.
We are not using this theater for any major case, so we are only using the other theater.
Nkwa ba ko pene yewo na eno so ne yede to chacha no da ben na nyinsani a wo bedane owu asem. Nanso migidi se oda so kai Mrs. Natasha Asare Bajama wedi infie eduonu nso okasa fa ne ani da so se opemfo wie enigi sem bi wo wawo we si na kakrechi a mena no twetwe nkomo no wawo baba masaya banifie ha ebehia no.
When you heard the cry of the baby, what did you do?
I didn't know ye.
Me jia ho me kan say oh ready me chim ho ba for so
long last. My push is worth it.
Natasha ni age say one ne ba no nyina se pisita apomudemu.
I'm happy because I've been able to do it.
Many age se metumi awo enye obi bia na etumi nya ne 3D mu aka na wɔtwe kakra ama ma wɔn me cousin bi free mu ono so kɔwo saa
she also went to deliver and then unfortunately she passed on. But then for those who go and then you would have to
nanso wɔn ma wɔkɔtwɛn na kakra na ɛtɔ da bi a wogya wɔn ma hɔ no ɛyɛ bibia hɔ mentumi nyina no kra
and leave your baby. It's something I can't take it. I don't know how those who go through that take it.
Anokwa eni nyankasa emutafo bebre na wɔyaregu mother and baby unit a ɛwɔ Nkwa Hia teaching hospital arahosem ne sɛ ne emutafo ye femu kra no yɛ hyesene ne wɔn maame femu wɔ bra na wɔwɔ no miankasa na ba unit ha ɛbɛhwɛ ne ekoso. Dr. Nkwa Plant Rule no da unit ano.
This is the mother baby unit. It's the unit in Nkwa Hia where every baby
aha ya mother baby unit unit a abotafo bia onya busumi menu a obeyare wogineto nti emfa wo se eye surgery ana se oyare nini na haya.
And how important is this
Emphaswa ewo unit in
say? I mean, I think it is arguably one
unit yi hia ye efri se so benini ama wadwiri mu ado ana se wodi ye ewa brabo mu nini na hyase ne ha unit a aka ne ho ehun so hia pa.
The successful adult, it all begins here. Of course, all the units are important, but you know what you do with a newborn will determine to a large extent what sort of an adult you will turn out. So it's an extremely important unit.
Unit ha aba peso. Wosi se enfa motofua eduosia. Nanso mprempren enfa motofua oha ekwo oha eduonu de bia.
So right now we have way exploded.
Say ya fa bu ne betumi so. Sene we need to yana. Ehun sene apartheid ne te ho a. Obobo apeso no. Enye ngom ni na mponi. Ebi mu kra tete abonten a wo twen na bema wo mba nfusu.
Enti wo mu run shift.
Ani if we say benches ne kra nurse.
So enti obetwen akosi sen.
Well, they will there are basically two groups of mothers. Some, the premature babies are doing 2 hourly feeding. So they come every 2 hours, feed their babies for as long as it takes.
About time no go ahodo me. Premature for no yen don shred me no bia. Na matured babies no so no 1 hour bia.
In the next 20-30 minutes they will go and then the other group will come.
Me ya imagine say metum pasa wo motofo no word ho no. Me ho dream ye. Menye nimdifo de nanso metumi de madwene bu se sene wahyehyɛ won no ehu. Dr. Nkwa Plant Rule no da mother and baby unit no no osi ehu a na ewo memu no sudua. We ni sentia Dr. Plant Rule efiti seto biase a watu din one baby one court project.
Newborns, as we know, they are very, very vulnerable. They are very vulnerable to infection. You know, the sort of infection which you and I might get and we would just cough and sneeze for a few days. The newborn will get it and the newborn will die.
Yadia ebebo meme wa ebema ya bo wa awense no ebo abotafo a obewu afi ansa na beba wiase no woman kasanya infections every woman inti ehia se abotafo bia benya ono nkasa nempa.
Handling this baby, you wash your hands nicely, then you move on to the next baby. Now, currently, the situation is such that you have 3-4 babies in a cot. We'll go into the preterm unit. You see several babies in an incubator.
Say, Tibiana no yedin. Ama nkoda miensa ene nan edam papa akoso. Ye ko preterm unit ho a. Nkoda bebregu incubator mu. Omu bia wa bacteria. Wode ma won ho. Infection ba ko bi betumi de wa ba. Nanso ans no be ko fie no. Otuminya foforo ka ho. Infections ko immota for
babies can die of infections very easily.
So have you had instances where some
infection every man?
It's a fairly common, it happens quite a bit. I mean, you have a baby. It's always difficult to absolutely say this baby picked this from, this baby. But you have a baby who came in with an infection. He's on his antibiotics. He's doing very well.
Annie, a tasty. Na akole bi with TB. Answer na all free hano. Na ofoforo into any
begins to deteriorate again and he dies. And that is, almost certainly from something that he picked from the ward. We've had, children who we had a baby who had TB, and by the time he was growing, another baby had TB. So it does happen.
Infections assisted no to nyen if we say what that she won't be brave kum pasoni incubators mu. Eyare sempa say biaya anka de hye kopa yaresa no. Eho mum no wokobo wona da kamena. Dr. Plandru sanida entasem biedi.
A fifth of the babies who come in will end up dying. So that would try maybe what, on a bad day we can lose 6-7 babies.
Unim say da boni bi wo ho a nkoda insia anase insum etumiwu. Eda bi nso wo a dodo be du tumi free mu. Ni na ne say nkoda no bi wo ho a ansa na baba wi asem na woni ahoden anase chimato bi wono ho. Wei no Untumi nyamuhwe ebinum so wo ho a ubetumi ahu bibiri nanso akade a eni huntin untumi nyamuhwe we nye normal haye ayaresabia nyamienim untumi ma amanfo ho ntona eni se wo ma wona pomodin jinsen
be a situation that the baby will come from home and then pick something in the hospital and then die from it.
Every July Ekosi December wo afi 2016 mu no emota for 2280 a wonya abusumi mienu na waje woto ayaresabia ho emu 437 na wo free mu mortality rate no mu no eyo hanche mu dunkru eni echipo mienu 19.2%. July nkwa no emota for 417 a waje wonto ho no emu 101 na wo free mu sa abusumi no mu ano ede edikan no emota for 56 na wo hwe wonkwa. Eni se abutafo abakokra ehwe ne nkwa nanso ade dodo na ehwe wonkwa nti abutafo abako de bia na echese afi bia no emutafo ahasane aduosianum na wo hwe wonkwa wo mother and baby unita ewo Nkwa Hia teaching hospital wenum so ya nyarewa yebetimi asia no wo hwe we a ebede na sustainable development goal a Ghana ka ho bie butaya bemu a ene se ansa na 2030 beba no wo se wo boban sene be ya nkwada a wonya mfienum infrimu newborn care unit a edimu no eni se emutafo achempa incubators ne warmers I was say we ya no kwan bisu a abutafo bia ntumi mfa nyarewa insan ofoforo mamenka wo se we nya ayaresabia bia keke na emum Nkwa Hia teaching hospital a Ghana ayaresabia mu ekukudam num baako ehu taabo abatan no efrise obi bie nim ne ba beto nananum e wonse do ebe me ba no ana se ne ondi ho de empempenso sei mu no abatan yo na fom kra se ne bia chemu no yemfa obatan ya wo memu mienu mfiti ase.
All that as a mother we are doing here is praying your baby will get well and then you go home, because you look at the condition here and you are scared. You ask yourself, is my daughter going to get better? Is my son going to get better? Because that is
what we are expecting. You have say ye mabenya yaresa na yakofie nanso ahati bia no ebe me ho abo ubebisa ho se enti me be hu beto no ana minim se mpanimfo no obi bia ni ho a obepese ne yire ana ne nua ba befa ne a ye fam.
I know those are the top there. Nobody would want the wife or the sister to experience what we are experiencing here. If one of the people at the top, their relatives, female relatives, should give birth and be brought here,
say omo obepe baby pa nanso yende yenimu bia be sha abatan a wodeda fo ene bench so nsonkro nsu ayeso mma what is so a na wo kekaw e twu muji.
Very unfortunate. I may see mothers lying on the floor, lying on these hard benches. You wake up in the morning, yes, with bed bags. Even when you are sitting on it, you can feel them biting and sucking your blood.
Ni odi ho yo batan a wa wudu owo ntansa ne ma no ba no du
me ba me da ha e ma me na fi nti me ba da ha no ma me so me ka ho na me ma me enkola apem egu ha se ma me fo apem so na egu ase na he na ye da he fa ne ye ko dware he fa ne ye ko dwonso ye ni ba bia ye ko akodwonso ye wa ho kire mu pa nti ye sra ban se wo mwaye Sabaya and Waya, ye, Payania, dear Wokomoti to Aba, and Mao. Sawan, wow, Bessident, and if I be as I have a to Abamo, Wababian. And she say, yeah, penny for me. Say you are, I took a 4 moments now, I say, and so may fair a chimay. And it's a buy boy, and a yea more than a diawo, and a chica 4 moments, so I have a free mono, and so I be the idea. It's a sub and say 1 way, and so grown so real, and Nansan and then I'm a mamma coto, drew, and don't my brother Bremia, may be done, I'm a diasa. And who now, Roy? And Sapa and Atia woman, Lumia, you perhaps you may cry, once that's so that's all. And you pay more boy, yeah, more boy, papa, yeah, more boy, me back with Baku Daho, Nicoina Bechewa, a bear one. I got one tomorrow in a Nimina, and then go ahead and no passing a mean semi-soon. Sapra to our baby, or Yaru, and so Antontomokawa, as I had a yard for Frogdo. Now, Tontomo women, never remember, a best than a crown when you're holding. A crown young holding.
Anopebiano. Abatan Sania Bunsan, Nantiko Accident and Emergency Center Hokujare, Jawon 9. Se Santina Onowa. I was say, a binum Nantiko Bantama, Kosre Omanfo, Momo baby Jari Jawon 9. Ayari Sabiano Child Health Head of Department ne Professor Emmanuel Aduyobo. Wonim ne kosunyina. Nanso, wotremua, bibia eniwa, wobetumi ayafa ho prempren.
One concerning part which we couldn't do much about is the toilet facilities. Now, as they are not enough for the number of people, and as they keep using it, of course, they come from different backgrounds. Some of them misuse it, and it easily blocks. Now, when it blocks, what happens? It spills over into the same room, and even the scent spills over onto the narrow space that we have, and the congested ward.
Niena intimi nya nhwe kra ne ejana bia ho enoso na nipa bebre nso ba ebi endi nenu nti emutasi
almost every other day, and sometimes you see, the labor ward is below us. When there is a leakage or whatever, it also spills into the labor ward. So tactically we felt it was good to close it, but there are other options, but they are not the best.
Ediene deba
ebusu gu dan mu eto de bia etene ko labor ward ho
nurse babies go down outside your kind of bedroom. It's a bedroom to speak for, for these basic facilities like toilet and bath. But that is the best we have in the circumstances. I mean,
enye we nkwa ne hawa abatan efemu ha ayaresa bia abon homoden apedan kra baako ama abatan no nyina nanso ensonso ya ewo we hu ne nedwefie hu ne se dade pru ne kredo akese na no hwe se abatan ha gudan kuma yi unity mfa woni paba hu se we yodefo ana se oyini ese se woda sadan mu Professor Aduyobo mu fa sentino.
A number of these structures were not designed with the mothers in mind. They were designed just for the babies. And I keep saying, if you go through 9 months of pregnancy and you deliver your precious baby, and unfortunately he gets sick, you would not be happy leaving the baby in the care of anybody else while you go home to have a good sleep. It doesn't happen.
Adain dodo na wo ho a wo si no wanwene abatan no wo si ma nkwada ne nko a de bia meka se wo fa yefunu bosome nkono na wo na oyare a wuntimi nyane mo bia se onhwe no na wo koda.
We call them as and when to come and feed their babies if necessary, and they have to hang around sometimes in the mother's room, which is too small.
Sene weni tiano nkwada no deda court no miensa ne nan won maame won hifa nti ye frewon brano ma won be ma won reduane medikan aka ejanan bia no ho asem ehun ka e wo soro pa we ama nsonkronsio age ho aboso na won ase doria na edo e ba saa won asituo eyedin
problem. And if you know anything about bed bugs, they multiply very quickly, they are difficult to control. You get them out and they are back. Because
and it's difficult to even fumigate because of the babies around.
Where are you taking the mother so that you can fumigate?
Intimi mfa edro ngu ho esane mutafo aninti wodi edro gu ho a befa won wuduem akọ won nipeduem enye sanso a chisa wodi won nyina akogu baby nanso ehin ne yede won kọ eno nso ne hawo.
You have to move all the babies, fumigate, clean the place before you bring them back. Otherwise you are going to have other problems. Now where are you taking them? So this is the big problem.
Sometimes at night when I come and I want to enter my office, there's a mother asleep on the floor in front of the office. And it's very, and some of them sleep, some of them sleep on these benches. Some of them lie on the floor.
My bedroom, make office no. Not a bad time that Bobuano. It be most of the benches.
It also makes cleaning difficult.
We ma happy pattern so yading. A band of fumigation. Nina say, Nipane dorswa. Ama a China beyond sings no. Nina, I say.
There are just so many people. There's so much pressure on the facilities, the toilets, the sinks, and things like that.
Metna sekosi enyume nundu. Sene beya. Mehunu ne ekoso nyina. Ne ekoso no. Esewani. Abata no nyina ankodan no mu. Enti ebedi da corridor no so nyina. Wode won to ma ze from ho no wada so. Ebi so de da benches a. Inso nkonsu aja boso no so. Na ebi so de da table ase. Wo bedei. Won pa ebone se obi bia yem kana nadwo no. Obi bia obekọ saati bia yimu no. I was say Otutu sum no ko accident and emergency center. Ana say bantama ko pebebi eja ne nan. Oba tan hu. Sa hawo nyina fiti ase be mfie eduanan miensa ni. Wei ne ma kanema mpani general kotu champion fiti project yi ase afe apem ohankron eduoson enan no mu. Se ne be ya wei nsi ofiti ase si adan miensa. Mienu to asonson. Ana ba ko aka no so to asonsia. Na ni nyina fam pedua ohankron eduokunum. Wofa sebua kwan so tu na de soa na wode konkon ho. Abaya hodo nkron na aba. Nanso wontumi wie.
So this is the building we have been talking about. This was started in the 1970s by the Champions regime, and we have been told it is the solution to the maternal and infant mortalities in this hospital. As you heard one of the professors tell us, a number of children have died in this hospital simply because they didn't have space to accommodate them when they were ill. Mothers have died because they didn't have space to accommodate them when they came here on admission. So this is the building we are talking about, and they are telling us that if it is done, it is going to solve a number of problems in this hospital. Unfortunately for me, I have Dr. Richard Selobe, one of the people
Mensaka Dr. Richard Selomi. Oye wona ofiti seto biase e wo Facebook a na wotwe impinifo adwena kodan so.
Social media.
Somebody would be fascinated by the fact that one, I am a maxillofacial surgeon in training. So somebody would say, well, I don't have a direct link to the building. But over time, one, we share some wards with the children. We work on cleft children, and we also go to the pediatrics ward and sometimes the maternal ward to do some things.
Edine pusu ma ofiti campaign ya si wo social media so.
Me maxillofacial surgeon a migusu agent tie. We beka say me ni dan no eni twaka bia. Ye hwe nkoda atokru eda won hwene ene won ano entem. Eto da bi nso a ye kɔ abatan ward ho kɔ ya de. Na se ne na wabɔ peso no ene ka makoma. Ekwan na ho ba bia na ehun so wo papa. Nkoda 3, 4, 5 eda mpa ba akusu. Ma ye adwuma wa ha ba ye 2.5 years ni. Nanso da kru bi ene ka makoma say Debi edan we asi wo ansa na ye wumimpo. Nti nkrofo ehu sene mpanifo ato edan ajeje mu a ebia wo be ye hu bibi. Eno na shame in crying
has been abandoned by those who have the power and the money to make this building happen. I believe that they may bring some pressure to bear on either government or they themselves will feel motivated enough to either donate towards this cause or make sure it sees the light of day. And that's what motivated me.
And what has been the reaction from the public and from the hospital?
Well, it's been good generally.
Normal funny ayasebia no ahon keka say. Oh,
eyepa if you say me de 200 me kadan a enya be mfie aduanan eyi hu asem a eka obi akoma. Me hu likes do be 600. Na binum so share nanso e was ekwa akire sinsin.
People having to be in the queue, and sometimes essentially doctors having to choose between who must die and who shouldn't, because you have about 7 patients waiting to go to theater in an emergency situation, and there are only 2 functional theaters. Now, if it was your wife and my wife who came in this, let's say the 5th and 7th, what do you think would happen? So most people felt touched, and I saw a lot of shares. I think it's over 600 or something people sharing and lots of likes. But that needs to move beyond that.
We ni dan a yeka ho asem no 1970 ni mu no fiti ase na ye champion abreso mate se When the betimi si abatan ne emotafo wu anu wɔ ayaresabea yi mu. Sɛnea professor baako kae no, emotafo bebree ne wu ayaresabea ha. Efisɛ, wonya baby panfo anto. Abatan so saa. Enti ɛdan a ne yɛka ho asɛm no. Enie, wosi a ɛbɛso ha bebree anu wɔ ayaresabea yi mu. Project a wato yɛgyegye mu yi, ɛwɔ ayaresabea ne mu. Ɛwɔ Komfoanoche Nursing School ne Outpatients Department no mfimfini. Ɛsane ne Oncology Unit no ɛne din hwɛ nim wɔ ayaresabea hɔ. Animonyamfo a wɔba ayaresabea no nsrahwɛ no. Wɔde wɔn kɔ project yi ho. Former UN Secretary General Kofi Annan, CNN Kofa Bai, Ted Turner, ɔte kɔkɔɔsoɔ Asantehene ne UN Ambassador to Ghana, Robert Jackson, yɛn animonyamfo no mu bia, wɔde wɔn akɔhwɛ dan no. Yɛn amanyɔfo no koraa deɛ, ɛdan ho wɔn daa. Efiri ɔman mpanimfoɔ so, ekosi wɔn asoafoɔ so no. Apɔmuden soafoɔ bia ahyɛ dan ho bɔ, gye sɛ nea wɔpaw no nansen ya no. Anka etumi kasa, megye di sɛ, anka ɛbɛka akyerɛ wɔn sɛ, nsrahwɛ no yɛ, na mmom, munsime. Cement Ghana Limited ne construction firm a wɔyɛ dan ho adwuma. Akadeɛ a wɔde yɛ adwuma yi ayɛ krado a wɔdi wɔn bɔhyɛ so a wɔbɛyɛ adwuma no. Arnold Asamoah Menu ne site engineer.
You can see some of the places have been darkened by rain, but taking a critical look, there's not a single crack anywhere on the walls. As to the blocks,
we need to say, baby or what, nsuo ama hɔ ayɛ tum, nanso hwɛ ne yie paa, crack ni baby a, egyina ne nan so paa. Consultants no ani wɔ yɛ ho paa. Ebra no no ɔtaa bɛhwɛ. Yenya sika ne nyinaa, ebetimi de afe ewie, sɛ eba ne sɛ yɛyɛ adwuma anadwo, ɛne de mu ne nyinaa de a, ɛne ebewie ne ntem.
Yɛn nyinaa tumi yɛ patients. Yɛn nyinaa, sɛ anyɛ wo a, etumi yɛ wo yere, wo maame, wo nuaba, nti yɛboa ma wowie dan no a, ɛbɛboa yɛn nyinaa. Ɛfiri sɛ, nkontabuo ne nyɛ koraa. Koraa. Ɛmaa bebree firi mu a, anka ebetumi agye wɔn kwa. Ɛyare ho sɛm sɛ aban a akɔ nyinaa ama wani ankɔdan no so. Yɛhwɛ sɛ nneɛma bɛsesa.
Maybe a year
to finish and hand over.
Yeah.
Dr. Richard Solomon de me kɔ hɔ aprɔbɔ kɔkyerɛ me akadeɛ a wɔde si.
So we are working towards the child health
section of the block, the ground floor section of it. And this, as you can see, is very huge.
Yɛni kyerɛ dan no child health unit. Wei ne ground floor no, ɛso paa. Aseɛ no nko ano no, na betumi afa yaresabea yi wards no nyinaa.
Wards, the various sections we have seen in the hospital today. So that side will be the ambulance area where emergencies can be brought in, they will be received quickly and.
Ɛhɔ no bɛyɛ ambulance area. Wɔde putupuru haw nyinaa bɛba. Wei kɔ akɔsi 6th floor. Saa dan no, matese theater bebree wɔ mu, obstetric theaters ɛne nea ɛkeka ho ɛwɔ hɔ enti, osima yɛn a ɛbɛboa paa.
That is also the front part of it is supposed to be the emergency area where an ambulance drives in and people can be received and quickly moved for treatment. So this is just a ground floor, as we said. This goes all the way up about 6 floors.
Ɛyɛ dan kɛseɛ paa. Ayaresabea no Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Joseph Akpalu Disudwa sɛ, Obewia, just $70 million.
Every government comes, they want to do it, but it has never been completed.
Aban biaba, no can is obey. Nanso, unfi. So see, ebeboa adehia wo ba Komfoanoche apa. Say dear, e be 60% complete.
And what needs to be done? What's the current status and what needs to be done?
Currently, the building is 60% complete. That is only the architectural design, but other things, equipment and all other things, which will make it 100%, are yet to be done, which will be the 40%.
Wait, dear, a dan is okay. Nemu makadia ebe hiano ebe beka wono. Eno ne bema na 100% pepepe. Nemu a dan ka say si woni dear, 60%.
It will stay around that. So we needed about $70 million US dollars to complete this building.
To totally finish the project?
Totally finish the project. The project is divided into 3 areas.
Yeah, $70 million near the area dime. Yeah, project mumiansa. Your child block, maternity, any operational block. Your 10 theaters.
We have 10 theaters included. So both pediatric surgery will take one part, and then obstetric and gynecology specialists will also take the other part.
Adokutafo ne consultants a wono obedi nkita ho wa yasabia ha no. Ne waka ne say edan no sie ene ohawe hu nsia no.
We are saying one baby, one cot. But the truth is that today, if you were to bring me, so a friend of mine said, how many cots do you need? And I said, no.
Yeah, count one baby, one cot. Now, so the crane say, what the premier, Madame for baby Sam, cots do do a sign of money. As Semnon say, and your cots don't go. Name, baby, I do if we say, over 100 cots in the air, you need baby, I do. Now, so, Medawasi. At the teacher, you hear any coin. Not meaning say, your units be a yes
since 1974.
1974, Tom. So we'll see a Bemaya house what a month for Taipei and Adoye. Bear in female east, west, but chair Acadia P. Now seem to me, Angelina, if we say. You need baby, I do. In your space, pa. Yes, she say, baby, dino. Near Chichemu, send ye bear. You never caught in Codano. Send a Winitiano. O per se, o Mawam Banu for so, now so bosso. I told the big cry. Want me in anyone
can move at least parts of this unit over there, spread out so that the children can have decent care. The mothers, as you can see, will not be so, they're trying to breastfeed and they're sitting right next to each other. They can't even move their arms sometimes. So
that building, I hear there are so many theaters there. Obs theater or obstetric theater, and then other theaters there. So if that place is made available to us, it's going to help a lot.
Yes, this is Nkwa Teaching Hospital. So it's a teaching hospital, and that is the model for an environment where you train people.
Annie, we are Nkwa Teaching Hospital. A teaching hospital, yetiti apomudin nyuma yefo nanso se na ehatie no emmoa emma adekere ne adesua enkoso tote nkwada hwe na yeni wo so sese menyinde se we beboa adesuafo no kra.
People learn from the environment as well, and I don't think it's a good signal for the students, even though you try not to compromise on the standards.
All of us can become patients at any time. All of us. If it's not you yourself, your wife, your relative, your mother, your sister, your daughter can land here at any time.
Yenina to me patients. Yenina. Sanyawa, it's me your year. Umame, Unyaba, into your buam we dinoa, a beboy yenina. If we say, and Huntebo in your cra. A ma be brave frima and keep it to me at Juanqua. A yarahosem say, Abaya, Akunina, Amuini, Uncle Danoso. Ye say, in my best.
Past governments have not paid much attention to the completion of this building, and we hope that things will change.
Why no pese o si owu a anke betumi si anona no? Why na ya crowd say obema yemma atenka say yinse nyo owu atwede akandifo bi betumi edinse ahwa ma owu yi etu atwa na abambe na betumi ahye asanteman adehye ewie project. Nkwadaa yi super mu a won pese obefrim won maame afabremu na wopese wotena nkwam wan na etie na wan kra na fa ho said kwame boaten no ye hwehwemu yi menso a mechi ase kootwi kasakoji mu kinkan maamu no akosi bodua boache eni medi.